Van Harold Aguiar, Andres Rinier, and Mark Apasionado, and we will discussing Admiral Hotel, Manila. And the first criteria is location. Location po ng Admiral Hotel is sa 2138 Rojas Boulevard sa 1004 Malate, Manila, Philippines. So, based po dun sa aming mga reviews na nabasa sa booking.com ay mas marami pong complaint or bad reviews yung mga guests about po sa location, and some good reviews naman po is kakaunti lang. So, dun tayo sa good reviews. Sa good reviews po is perfect place daw po yung Admiral Hotel dahil daw po malapit siya sa beach or front ng Manila Bay. Yung kung nandun ka po sa gilid ng bintana ng room nyo or sa kahit anong bintana po is nakikita po yung front ng Manila Bay or Dolomite. And isa pa pong good review sa location po is malapit daw po siya sa NAIA or Ninoy Aquino Airport. Yun po yung mga good reviews sa location. And dadako naman po tayo sa bad reviews ng mga guests sa Admiral Hotel. Sa first po is yung kapag po pagkatapos niyo daw pong mag-check-in, so check out na. So pagka-check out ng if tourist ka, marami daw pong or bago ka lang sa place na yun, marami daw pong mag-i-scam at magsusunod sa'yo. Yung may mga tao sa labas daw po is susundan ka para mag-scam, or syempre hindi naman natin nasisigurado kung scam lang ba ang habol or what. So sa bad reviews naman po is double pricing daw po when it comes to Grab. May nire-recommend daw po sa ang Admiral Hotel na Grab, pero double pricing. So, kapag magpapara ka naman po, mahirap daw po pumara ng taxi. And isa pa dun is traffic yung kalaban. Kapag daw po aalis ka or kunyari mag-withdraw ka, is umaabot daw po yung pagbiyahe na 30 minutes to 1 hour. So, syempre, kung nagmamadali ka, kailangan mo magpadala ng pera sa mga relatives mo or kahit kanino, is mahirapan ka dahil sa traffic. Then, pangalawa po is hindi daw po safe. Yung natulad na po sinabi ko kanina na maraming mga sumusunod sa'yo. Bukod pa po doon, yung area po kasi ng Admiral Hotel is yung gilid niya po is normal na na bahay. Yung normal na bahay na dikit-dikit. May mga eskinita, ganun po yung place niya. Normal na mga bahay na dikit-dikit. So, kapag gusto maglakad sa labas, hindi daw po safe. And, hindi daw po walking distance. Yun, isa pa, hindi daw po walking distance sa mga kunyari magagandang restaurant or attraction. Hindi daw po ganun ka-walking distance. Yun yung pinaka-complain ng mga guests. And wala din daw po mga convenience store or tindahan na malalapit sa Admiral Hotel. Sa pangalawa naman po is cleanliness and upkeep of structure. When it comes to cleanliness po, is siyempre asahan po natin na minimaintain po ng mga staff yung cleanliness ng loob ng room. And comfortable bed, yung syempre yung amoy niyan talagang mabango daw, napaka-sosyalin. Then yung mga amenities daw po, syempre hindi daw po nagbibigay yung mga staff doon ng low quality. So syempre para masatisfy yung mga guests, binibigyan po sila ng mga high quality na amenities para masatisfy sila and ma-enjoy lahat ng mga gamit sa loob ng room. And yung about po sa decor, syempre classy, elegant, and napaka-luxury ng mga decoration. So, malapit po yung Admiral Hotel nga po sa Rizal Park, National Museum, Our Lady of Consolacion, Manila Zoo, Intramuros, and Fort Santiago. So, maabot po sila ng mga 10 to 30 minutes yung pagbiyahe. So, kapag nabulog ka ng traffic, yun po is umabot siya ng 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yun lang po, and thank you.
Sabi ng guests, their experience at Admiral Hotel was absolutely fantastic. They describe it as a real gem, mula lobby hanggang rooftop and swimming pool. Sabi pa nga nila, even if you can only afford to stay for one night, it's definitely worth it. The whole place daw is comfortable, relaxing, and spotless clean. Na-impress talaga sila sa high quality ng service and food. The guest mentioned na yung sprawling morning buffet is a must try, and dinner sa hotel is just as enjoyable. All in all, pleasant and relaxed atmosphere. Isa pang standout sa review na to is how the staff went above and beyond in all circumstances, showing the best of Filipino friendliness and dedication. Nagbigay pa sila ng special shoutout kay Lazel, isang staff member na sobrang exceptional in a very specific situation. This personal touch really made a big impact on the guests, kaya they also congratulated the whole team at Admiral Hotel. Sinabi pa nila na they would warmly recommend Admiral Hotel to anyone looking for an exceptional place to stay in Manila. And if they visit the Philippines again, Admiral Hotel will definitely be their top choice. This review shows how Admiral Hotel goes the extra mile to make sure na outstanding ang experience ng guests nila, making it top recommendation for anyone visiting Manila.
The feedback for the management and staff for the Admiral Hotel Manila is largely positive, with particular praise for the professionalism and friendliness of the staff. Many reviewers highlight the warm welcome they received upon arrival, even during challenging circumstances such as arriving early or after a long stressful flights. The reviews of the Admiral Hotel Manila highlights its impressive public exterior areas blending luxury with historical ambience. The hotel package retains its original Art Deco sign, which stands out along Rojas Boulevard. Providing a grand first impression, guests frequently mention the well-maintained and aesthetically pleasing public areas, including the rooftop pool with stunning view of Manila Bay, which is favorite for both swimming and sunset watching. The Coconut Grove rooftop bar also offers a tropical vibe, making it a perfect spot for relaxation, while the surrounding landscape areas contribute to the serene environment. The public spaces such as El Atrio, Lounge, and the lobby are noted for their elegant designs and luxurious feel, enhancing the guest experience. Views of the rooms at Admiral Hotel Manila consistently emphasize their luxurious decor, blending modern comforts with Filipino culture influences. The rooms are praised for their elegant design, featuring natural tones with accent of local arts and culture. Guest highlights the attention to details such as brass wall sculptures, rich textures that enhance the ambience. Many reviewers appreciate the room's amenities, including comfortable bed, espresso machine, and rain showers, which add to the sense of luxury. The soundproofing both sound systems are also frequently mentioned as contributing to the relaxation environment. The views of Manila Bay from select rooms further enhance the overall experience, with guests often enjoying sunsets views from their windows.
So dito, according to the guests, they had a problem with the bathroom sink. Naklogged siya. The guests reported it and the hotel sent a plumber to fix it. Pero after the plumber left, clog pa rin yung sink. Syempre, medyo frustrating ito for the guests kasi hindi talaga naayos yung problema. The guests even mentioned na gumawa pa sila ng listahan ng mga issues na kailangan pang ayusin. Meaning, may iba pang problems during their stay. This experience shows na even though the hotel responded to the issues, hindi naging effective yung solution. This review really highlights how important it is for hotels to not just respond to guest concerns, but to make sure na fully resolved talaga yung mga problema para ma-maintain ang guest satisfaction. So, according to the feedback, Maraming guests ang impressed with the staff. Super friendly and helpful daw sila. From check-in hanggang check-out. Their warm and welcoming attitude left a good impression sa mga guests. Isa pang na-appreciate ng mga guests is how efficient ang check-in and check-out process nila. It's quick and hassle-free kaya it adds to the overall good experience ng stay nila sa hotel. Also, the hotel is known for being proactive in addressing any issues or concerns. Hindi lang sila nagre-react sa mga problems, they make sure na maayos agad yung mga needs ng guests. Sometimes even before the guests realize na may concern pala. Of course, mayroon din namang minor areas for improvement pero overall, these small issues are outweighed by the hotel's excellent service standards. Kaya naman, the Admiral Hotel Manila continues to receive high guest satisfaction because of their dedicated team.
Sa security and safety naman po, based po sa reviews ng guests na they felt really safe po sa hotel because of their solid security po. First is yung hotel fire extinguisher po in areas para po ready po sila in case of emergency po. Then meron din silang CCTV cameras both side of the property in common areas. So lagi pong monitored ang surrounding for added security. Meron din silang smoke alarm and security alarm installed para po sa extra layer of protection. And yung sa access naman po ng room is through key card na po, na very convenient and secure at the same time. And last is yung they have 24 hours security personnel po na naka-duty po. Sa room price naman po, based po sa nakuha pong reviews sa mga guests is sabi po ay medyo may kamahalan nga daw po yung mga room na ano po nila, pero worth it naman daw po because of sa mga pagkain po na tulad po na may free breakfast, free lunch and free dinner na rin po. And sa mga ano po sa mga kasama po sa bahay sa room po is po yung air conditioning na po, sobrang lamig po, tapos so napakalakas na rin po ng free wifi and sa mga free use po ng electric kettle, iron, ganun po. And worth it naman daw po. And dito na po nagtatapos ang libreng sining handog sa inyo ng Pop Cola.